Hi, how are you? Hello, I am pretty good. What is your name? My name is Indu. How old are you? I am 23 years old. Where are you from? I am from Mumbai. What is your job? I am a teacher. Are you married? No, I am single. Where do you live? I live in New York. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Are you tall? No, I am short. Are you tired? A little bit. Are you hungry? No, I am not hungry. Are you busy now? Yes, I am busy right now. What is your email address? It's indu@email.com. Do you speak English? Yes, I can speak a little English. What languages do you speak? I speak English and Hindi. Do you have a passport? Yes, I do. What is your nationality? I am Indian. Are you at home now? Yes, I am. What day is today? Today is Sunday. What is the weather like? It is cloudy. Do you have brother or sisters? Yes, I have one sister. What is your father's name? His name is Ram. What does your mother do? She is a nurse. Do you live with your family? Yes, I do. Do you have grandparents? Yes, I have two grandmothers. Do you visit your family often? Yes, every weekend. Are your parents kind? Yes, they are. Do you have any friends? Yes, I do. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Ananya.